Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You want to see how I was able to design this beautiful dress with stones around the waistline? Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And here we go, guys. This is a magenta dress that I designed, and I also placed my appliques around the waist area. I really love the appliques. It's like purplish and different shades of purple, like lilac purple, then with green around it. I actually hand stitched this around the waist area, guys. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to stone this waistline area. But first of all, I will show you guys here. I'll be using my hand stoning machine. It comes with different mount size. You can get this from any online store. So guys, Swarovski stones, and they are really dazzling, guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed immediately. So here I will just put my stones on the side, and like I said earlier, I will be designing these stones on my waistline. And I just want to dazzle it a bit, not so much, just a little. So let's proceed, guys. First of all, I'm going to show you guys what I'll be using. I'll be making use of my tools. This is my stone picker. I'll be using this stone picker to just pick the stones one after the other and then place it on my fabric. And here I'll be using my hand stoning machine that I showed you guys earlier. I will just place this one after the other, guys, and I will hand stone it to the dress. So I will zoom this in. Here, guys, I will just be placing the stones in no order, and mind you, while placing the stones, I was also waiting for my hand stoner to be hot, so that I'll be able to use it to hit the stones on the appliques. So here I will just place it round. I think I was counting about 5 stones each on each flower area. I'm just going to be designing just the waist area round. So let's go, guys. And here, guys, I will just proceed with heating this up. So if you're new to this channel, you're just passing by, or you're a return subscriber, please subscribe now, and give us a thumbs up if you love our videos and you love our content. Please, guys, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll reply you guys ASAP. Thank you. So let's keep it going. I'm gonna be zooming this in a bit so you guys can see what I'm actually doing here. So here we go. You can see I'm trying to place the stones one after the other. So that's what I'll be doing here, guys. Another thing that I did, guys, I lined my dress, the inner part, with a lilac lining. So guys, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and I'll be dropping new videos as soon as possible, guys. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.